If you're shopping for car insurance in 2026, there's a good chance you've seen National General Insurance while comparing quotes, especially because it's often advertised as a more affordable option for high-risk drivers, new drivers, or people struggling to get cheaper insurance elsewhere. But honestly, a lot of people online are asking, is National General actually good in 2026? So in this video, I'll give you an honest National General Insurance review, including pricing, customer experience, claims, and whether it's worth considering. First, what is National General Insurance? National General is an insurance company owned by Allstate that offers auto insurance, RV insurance, homeowners insurance, and other coverage options. And honestly, the company is especially known for working with non-standard drivers with accidents or people with difficult insurance histories. Now, one of the biggest reasons people choose National General is price, because honestly, many users report getting quotes much cheaper than competitors, especially after accident tickets or insurance lapses, and for some drivers, that alone makes the company attractive. Now let's talk about coverage options. National General offers things like liability coverage, full coverage, roadside, assistance RV insurance, and optional add-ons. And honestly, for many people, the coverage itself is fairly standard compared to other large insurers. Now let's talk about the big downside. People mention most customer service and claims, because honestly, this is where reviews become very mixed. Some users report decent pricing, easy approvals, and acceptable service. But many online reviews complain about slow claims, poor communication, long wait times, or frustrating claim experiences, and honestly, this pattern appears repeatedly across review sites and Reddit discussions. Now, another important thing. National General is often considered a non-standard insurer, meaning it commonly serves drivers that other insurers may reject or charge much higher prices. So honestly, many people choose it because they simply need affordable coverage quickly. Now let's talk about mobile apps and online tools, because honestly, digital experience matters a lot. Now, some users say the online tools are basic, while others complain about app issues, crashes, or limited features, so it may not feel as polished as some premium insurance companies. Now, another thing worth mentioning, financial backing, because despite mixed customer reviews, National General still benefits from being connected to Allstate and maintains strong financial ratings according to several insurance review sources. Now, let's talk about who this insurance may actually fit best. Honestly, it may make sense for high-risk drivers rebuilding insurance, history or people prioritizing low monthly payments, especially if other insurers are quoting very high prices. But honestly, if customer service fast claims or premium support matter more to you than price, you may want to compare other providers too now. Let's be honest for a second. Insurance reviews online are almost always mixed, because people usually only post reviews when something goes very wrong or very right. But honestly, National General seems to have a stronger reputation for affordability than for customer experience. So is National General good insurance in 2026? Honestly, it depends on what matters most to you. If your priority is lower pricing, flexible acceptance, or finding coverage after driving issues, then it may absolutely be worth considering. But if you want top-tier customer services, smoother claims, and premium support, there may be stronger options available, because honestly, the best insurance company always depends on your budget, driving history, and expectations.